All right, here at Powerline, I want to go over the 3 different size rigs we have right here. It was a good time to do it. This is our high-end Kubota, best of the best of the best. If you want the best, this is it. Kubota's got a big radiator, worldwide reputation, 82% of the world's market. We build this thing as stout as it can be built. It's all built on a Super Duty plate. Best pump there is. General TSF. Big battery box. Filter system. Antifreeze. Super Duty trailer. And depending on the package, if you don't need a surface cleaner, then you can order it base model if you want. Next one, we're going to walk past this one and come back to it. We're going to go over to the Vanguard 35 horsepower. It's a heck of a unit, lots of power. Similar power torque as the Kubota, just doing it with gas instead of diesel. All these trailers have the hitch on here that you can adjust up and down. Super Duty, US made trailer. Large fuel tanks. This thing's built to run. Big heater system. Got an antifreeze tank, again detergent tank, dual gun, heavy duty trailer. This one has the upgraded package with the toolboxes as well. So just a nice selection on that. Next on the list is the Honda GX690. That's just a nice, powerful unit right in the mid-range of what we've got. We use the same pump on all these. Just offer different warranties. I shouldn't say different warranties, different drive. So some pumps we hyper drive to get a little more power out of them, which works just great. This one's on the same heavy duty trailer that's upgraded. Just a nice setup here as well. So we'll just do a quick walk around on that before these go out. This unit's also upgraded with the soft wash package. So that's the P40 Comet, heavy duty hose, separate hose reel. So that's a whole separate soft wash system with the power wash system. So that's just a dynamite setup. It's upgraded with the signage. And being that it's soft wash, it gets the heavier duty trailer, the 10K trailer. Just a quick overview on these. Depending on which style or size you're looking for and what your budget is, and if you got to have diesel, diesel's just a great unit. So just let us know what your needs are, and we'll try to fulfill them, right? Take good care. Thank you.